This time, instead of tables, you've been given graphs that represent G and F, and you've been given this quotient here, F over G, or as we've been talking about it, sum numerator P over Q. So that's going to be P prime Q minus Q prime P all over Q squared, where F is really our P function and G is really our Q function. So as we think about it like that, we need the derivative at -1, so I need P prime. Well, P prime equals the derivative or the slope of P. So I'm going to look to see what is my slope at -1. Well, here it is. I'm going down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. So P prime of -1 is equal to -1. We're also going to need P at -1. So let's go ahead and look. Here's the dot right here. P at -1 is 2. So that's a 2. Q at -1. Now we'll look at the G graph. Well, that's right here. That's 3. And now Q prime at -1. That just means our slope. What is our slope going to be? Well, now we're going over 1 up 1, over 1 up 1. So this slope is 1. Now I just put all these into my P prime Q minus Q prime P all over Q squared. P prime we said was -1. Q is 3 minus Q prime is 1. P is 2 over Q squared. Well, that's 3 squared. So here we have -3 minus 2 more. -5 is our numerator. 3 squared is 9 is our denominator.